Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at a beast of a machine, the 2024 Mercedes BRABUS G900 Rocket Edition. This isn't your average G-Wagon, this is a fire-breathing, 900 horsepower monster that will have you questioning the laws of physics, design and exterior. The G900 Rocket Edition is all about making a statement. The widened bodywork, flared fenders, and aerodynamically optimized front spoiler give it an almost predatory stance. The exposed carbon fiber throughout adds a touch of luxury and performance. And those 24-inch Brabus monoblock Y wheels? They're not just for show, they're essential for handling the immense power this beast produces. Performance and power. Now, let's talk about what really sets this G-Wagon apart. The engine. Brabus has taken the already potent AMG G63's 4.0-litre V8 and bored it out to 4.5 litres, then added their own high-performance turbos and tuning the result. A mind-blowing 900 horsepower and 1,250 pounds-to-feet of torque. That's enough to launch this 2.5-ton SUV from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.3 seconds. But the G900 Rocket Edition isn't just about straight-line speeded corners like it's on rails. Thanks to its upgraded suspension and all-wheel drive system, and with its massive brakes, you can bring this beast to a stop just as quickly as you can get it up to speed. Interior and luxury. Even though the G900 Rocket Edition is a performance machine at its core, Brabus hasn't forgotten about luxury. The interior is a masterpiece of handcrafted quality, with premium materials and meticulous attention to detail. The quilted leather seats are incredibly comfortable, even during high-speed maneuvers. And the Alcantara accents and carbon fiber trim add a touch of sportiness. The tech in the G900 Rocket Edition is just as impressive as the rest of the car. The digital instrument cluster and infotainment system are both clear and easy to use, even with all the adrenaline pumping, and the optional head-up display keeps your eyes on the road. The 2024 Mercedes BRABUS G900 Rocket Edition is a car for those who demand the best. It's the ultimate combination of luxury, performance, and off-road capability. If you're looking for a car that will turn heads and make your heart race, the G900 Rocket Edition is the one for you. But be warned, this car is not for the faint of heart. It's a beast, and it needs to be treated with respect. But if you're up for the challenge, the G900 Rocket Edition will reward you with an experience you'll never forget. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more car content. And let me know in the comments what you think of the G900 Rocket Edition. Would you dare to drive it?